Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you some of the wigs from the Wille Prime Power collection. These wigs are super special because they are made from a 50% blend of human hair and heat resistant synthetic fibres. This means that you get all the benefits of a human hair wig such as heat styling, longevity, etc, but at a lower price point than 100% human hair wigs. The wig I've got to show you just now is the Impulse Comfort Wig. This wig is a beautiful shorter length. It is so great because of its really comfortable cap. So it's primarily a hand-tied wig, which means that you've got great stretch and movement in the wig. So it's a really comfortable cap for wearing every single day. I'm going to flip this wig inside out so we can take a closer look at that super comfy cap. So I've just flipped this wig inside out, so as you can see across the front here you've got a lovely extended lace front. So this is actually running from ear tab to ear tab, so you have a great portion of lace front there, making it look as if those hairs are growing straight out of your head. Then you can see the top sort of 2/3 of this wig are completely hand tied. This means that each individual hair is knotted onto the cap, so it's really going to give a very natural sort of movement and appearance on your head, as well as making it a super comfortable wig because it's so stretchy. On the back wee bit here you do have that wefting, which is going to allow for great airflow, making it a super comfortable and breathable wig to be wearing every day. Down the bottom here you've got your velcro adjustable tabs so you can make sure you've got the perfect fit, and you've also got your metal stays in the ear tab here, meaning that you can keep your wig in place all day long. So I'm just going to pop the wig on so you can see how she looks. So I'm going to line her up with my forehead there, pulling her over my hair at the back. And you want to grab onto these little ear tabs, making sure they're lined up right with your temples. And you want to make sure that hairline is about 4 fingers width away from your eyebrows. I'm just going to check in the mirror to make sure mine is in the right place. Perfect. So as you can see, this is a super elegant shorter style. This is in the shade Champagne Rooted, which is a lovely multi-dimensional, slightly warmer toned blonde. You've got about 12.5 centimetres of length in the fringe, 10 centimetres of length at the crown and at the sides of this wig, and 7.5 centimetres at the nape. So it is a much shorter style, but it is so pretty and so elegant and will keep all your hair away from your face and neck. Again, this has that super comfy, stretchy, mostly hand-tied cap, so it's just a very comfortable wig to throw on and wear. I'm going to do a little spin around for you so you can see what this wig looks like from every different angle. So I've just popped on the wig in another shade for you. This is the shade Pearl Blonde Rooted, which is a much cooler, ashier, light blonde shade. This wig is available in a variety of different shades. If there's any that you're particularly interested in, don't hesitate to get in touch with Judy Plum Wigs and we can get that ordered in for you. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Impulse Comfort Wig from the Wille Prime Power collection. As you can see, it is such an elegant, fun, shorter style that is made from that 50-50 blend of human hair and heat resistant synthetic fibre, making it a really versatile and comfortable wig to wear. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media platforms, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig review videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel, and head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews.